You can get started by downloading Roblox Studio to your device. Once you're done, go ahead and open up Roblox Studio. Click on Templates and select Classic Baseplate. Click and hold down the right mouse button to move your camera. If you don't see your Explorer window and Properties window here, you can go to your View menu tab and turn on your Explorer and Properties window. I'm currently inside the Home menu tab, and in the first section here, the clipboard, you have the option to paste, copy, cut, and duplicate. In the next section, you have the Select, Move, Scale, and Rotate tools. Go ahead and go underneath Part here and click on the arrow. You have 5 different options here. You can add a block, a sphere, a wedge, a corner wedge, or a cylinder to your game. Let's go ahead and select Block. You can hold this and drag it, place it anywhere you want. With the tools up here, you can move the part, scale the part, and rotate the part. You can click on Anchor to lock the part in place. You also have the part here inside the workspace. Go ahead and click on the part, and we're going to rename this to Cube. With the part selected, you can go to the Properties window and change the part's properties. For example, I'm going to change the color of the part by changing the brick color to red. I can also change the material of the part. I can change it to brick. When you're done, publish your game to Roblox by going to File, click on Publish to Roblox. Enter the name and description for your game. You can turn off Team Create and click on Create. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Roblox game on Roblox. To play your game on Roblox, you're gonna go to the Roblox homepage, click on Create. And right here, you should see the new game that you have just created. If you don't see it there, you can also click on Creations. And you should see the new game that you have just created here. Now go ahead and click on the 3 dots, View on Roblox. Now play your game on Roblox. In the second part of this tutorial, we're going to learn how to modify, update, and customize our Roblox game. Go ahead and go to Roblox Studio. On the screen, click on Experiences. Look for the game that we have just created and click on it. Let's take, for example, go to your workspace and select the base plate. We're going to change the material of the base plate. We're going to change it to grass. And to make it more realistic, we're going to change the color to green. So now we have grass instead of the base plate in our game. I can use the scroll wheel on my mouse to move my camera back. In Roblox, you can build your own things or you can get free models from the Creator Store. To get to the Creator Store, we're going to go up here and click on Toolbox. This is where you can find all the free models for your game. Let's take, for example, we're going to search for trees. Hit enter. Once you found the item you want to get, just go and select the workspace and click on the item that you want to get. I'm going to click on the oak tree. And also, I want to get some sakura trees. So I'm going to click on this sakura tree here. And it goes inside my oak tree. You can use the move tool up here to place the tree anywhere you want. Control D to duplicate once, twice. So now I have 2 more sakura trees. So again, with the ASDW key, you can move your camera. Also use the E key and the Q key to move your camera. I'm going to get this red car here and place the car anywhere you like. You can also get some tools for your characters. Let's take, for example, go back to all models here and click on the flashlight here. I want to select this flashlight. So just click on the flashlight. It asks, put this tool into the starter pack. Just click yes. The tool is going to go inside your starter pack. And when you play in the game, every player is going to be equipped with this tool. Let's play test and take a look. You see, as soon as I join into the game, I have a flashlight in my backpack, and I can use the flashlight by hitting 1 here and click to turn on and off the flashlight. And now I'm going to go to my model menu tab. I'm going to go to gameplay with my part selected. I'm going to add effects to it. I'm going to add fire. You can see a little fire here, and you can see a fire has been added to the part. You can rename this part to fireball. Now to make the fire a little larger, select the fire and go to the Properties window, change the size to 20. Or if you want, you can change it to 10. Now select the fireball, we're going to add some effects, smoke. So now it has fire and smoke coming out of the wall. And those are some fun and easy things that you can add to your Roblox games. Lastly, if you want to make your game public so that other people can play your game, we're going to go to the home menu tab. We're going to click on game settings, click on permissions, and select public. Click save. Now your game is public and everyone in the world can play your game. Keep in mind that once you're done with your changes, remember to click on file and publish to Roblox. A lot of times there will be some scripting involved in building your Roblox game. Let's now take a look at how to use a script to change the color of a ball. So I'm going to go and add a ball to my game. And I'm going to go to the part, I'm going to rename it to ball. Let's add a script. You can rename your script to a different name if you like. For example, change color. And in your script, just insert the following lines. Here we're declaring our part, which is the ball. And then we're going to wait for 8 seconds before we change the color of the ball to bright red. Let's play test and take a look. So there is our ball. And you see in 8 seconds, it has turned to red. And that is how you use scripts to change the color of a ball. Just remember to always go to File and Publish to Roblox so you don't lose your changes. If you want more information on Roblox Studio or how to script your games, just click on the link above, or you can find them inside the description of this video. Thank you all for watching and enjoy your game making journey.